Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about Zensar onboarding. So see guys, I'll be covering 3 points in this video. First is what is the status of Zensar onboarding. Second thing, I'll be talking when we can expect onboarding date from Zensar, and third one I'll be talking about Zensar used to give 45 days on bench after training, and if you are not getting the project then they used to terminate. So 3 points I will be covering in this video. First thing I will be taking up now. So see guys, till today's date, if you'll see, there is no onboarding announced from the Zensar, and lots of people are waiting for this one. This is very irritating, frustrating, but I cannot say about this thing why this is happening. But everybody knows that every company is in wait and watch mode, because see, in the market requirement is very less, this one. So a second point we will be taking up, like when we can expect onboarding date from Zensar. See guys, no one can tell you the exact date or exact month. Even if you will call to HR, they will not able to give the proper answer for this one. They cannot predict this one, because companies wait and watch. They don't want to hire people, onboard people at this moment, because they have already on bench employees. So they don't want to onboard people to pay extra money to provide training. But this is what, so we cannot expect, and I don't want to say lie to you guys that I'll be telling this month and you will be getting onboarded. No. So we can wait. What is happening around us, we can wait only, because there is no proper answer for this one from anyone. So don't get panic. If you have other options, please go for other companies. Don't wait here, okay? And try to give other companies examination, like interviews and all. Get on board anywhere or join anywhere, but don't stick on at place on Zensar only, because the third point I will tell why. Zensar used to give 45 days on bench after training to get projects. Otherwise, after that they used to terminate, because lots of Zensar people told like this only, and they have experienced this one. Like after training 45 days they used to give. If you have find any project, then fine, otherwise they used to terminate you. So this is why I am telling you, if you have other options, please go for it. Don't wait for Zensar and all. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. So you can ask your queries on Instagram or anywhere, or you can comment on it. So please subscribe to my channel for further updates. So I am expecting in next month I'll make a video on this one, if any update didn't come till February. So in March I'll be making video. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.